Hello my friends, in this tutorial I will show you how to print a password protected PDF document. If you try to print a locked PDF document, the security settings don't allow you to do this. The only thing to allow it is content copy for accessibility. Open your browser and type small PDF. Open the small PDF web page. Click on Unlock PDF icon. Drag and drop your PDF document to the pink square. Wait for uploading your file. When you're done, check this box. Click Unlock PDF. You read your password has removed. You are ready to download your PDF. Click on Download File Now. Click OK. Wait to download your file to your computer. Now you can open your PDF document without password. As you see, the document allows you to print. Now I print my document. Thank you for watching.